Hey there. This Best Universal 2 PCs 3 really impressed me after I tested it out. Trust me, you're going to love what this brings to the table. To start with, the design is just stunning. It's simple yet eye-catching, perfectly balancing style and practicality. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners on this one. Now, about the value you're getting here. It's a total steal. High quality for a fraction of what you'd expect. High quality without breaking the bank. Yes, please. It's also incredibly versatile. It's a perfect choice for any setting and delivers consistent results. It's reliable, stylish, and honestly just a joy to use. Now, here's the catch: stock is moving fast. Head over to the bio to grab yours before they're gone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing find.